Pwede ba itong pang thumbnail? Why did I start YouTube? If may makita kayong buhok sa kilikili ko, like, okay lang yan, normal lang yan. Hey guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. So for tonight, since most of you, by most siguro mga tatlo, most of you, well, some of you requested for a skincare video, so I will be sharing with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. So while doing that, I'm gonna answer some of your questions that you asked me through my Instagram account. Well, parang daming nagtanong, but I'm just gonna answer some questions and share some facts about me para naman makilala niyo ako and kung sino yung pinapanood niyo sa YouTube. But I'm gonna share you guys my skincare routine and let's get started. By the way, I got this mic. By the way, I got this mic from Shopee and I don't know if may difference siya sa audio. So, bahala na and just let me know if meron. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I noticed while editing the videos na halata pala yung mga bruises ko on my arm and sa my chest area if napansin nyo. So just don't mind that. And grabe, ang dami kong bruises na hindi ko alam kung saan sila nanggagaling. But I'm gonna show you the bruise on my leg. Ang weird niya kasi mukha siyang equal sign. So ayan siya guys, mukha siyang, ang weird. This was from my biopsy. But, ang weird niya kasi lumalabas na naman yung mga bruises ko and sa arm ko and sa chest if you saw sa video. But ayun, mukha siyang equal sign. Tapos may period. So, just don't mind it. Okay, so I just finished washing my face. I use the... Shucks, grabe ang... Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pangalan sa buhok ko. Wait lang, I'll just check. So, the soap that I'm using for my face right now is the Some by Me HA, BHA, PHA Miracle Cleansing Bar. So, I don't have it with me right now because bar soap siya and it's in the bathroom. But, I like it because I feel like na-clear yung skin ko doon somehow. Because before, I used to have, mga ganyan. Yung mga small bumps on my forehead because of my baby hairs and hormones. During the night after I wash my face, depende sa mood ko if ginaganahan ako. But right now, I'm gonna do a facial mask first. The Aztec Healing Clay. Super love this because I feel like kine-cleanse niya, mas kine-cleanse niya yung skin ko in a way na sinasuck out niya talaga yung dirt and impurities, and so I just have this mirror and other sins of my face. Joke lang. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this first question. Full name. My full name is Maria Carmela Serrano del Rosario. So, sobrang haba. So, ang kawawa ko nung grade school kasi ang haba-haba na... Ang haba-haba ng pangalan ko and parang feel ko every time nag-exam kami. Patapos na yung mga classmates ko. Patapos pa lang ako sa pangalan ko. So I'm just gonna let this sit and I will be back. I just finished washing my face. Guys, if may makita kayong buhok sa kilikili ko, like, okay lang yan, normal lang yan. Pero kasi hindi pa ako nakapagpa-laser, so okay lang yan. That's the normal human body anatomy. After I use this one, I just feel like sobrang clean ng skin ko. After this mask, medyo mas nadadry lang yung skin ko because I feel like it's sucking out everything else. What I usually do sa normal days, I just use my toner and then my creams na. But for tonight, I will, guys, this facial mask, if hindi nyo pa to natatry, hindi ko na alam. So, this is the Dr. Morita Hydro Something Mask. Super naka-moisturize siya and like I said kanina, sobrang dry ng skin ko and the first time I used this, siguro I just used isang mask for a night. And then siguro, for the next few days, sobrang bouncy and sobrang moisturized ng skin ko. So, for my toner, I just use Fresh by Skin Labs Tomato Glass Skin Toner. So, it's pH 5.5 and it's really hydrating for my skin. Next question, age. I'm turning 22. Tama ba? Yeah. I'm turning 22 next year. I'm still 21 right now. Okay, so for my toner, nilalagay ko lang siya sa palm kasi ayoko siyang i-cotton. Kasi feel ko na-absorb ng cotton yung product. What's your height, ate? Bakit mo pa tinanong yan? I would like to think na I'm 5'2", but yeah, I'm short, I'm petite, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so hobbies. I danced for 12 years. Yes, 12 years mga sis. 12 years po akong sumayaw ever since bago ako mag-grade 1 lang. Sobrang moisturizing lang talaga ng mask na to. Okay. Ang weird naman if magsasalita ako ng ganito yung itsura ko din. Pero okay lang. I just let it sit for around 10 minutes. Alam mo ako itlog. Yung excess niya, nilalagay ko sa neck ko and sa elbows. So, I danced ballet for 11 years from pre-grade 1 until first year college. And then after, I saw this Instagram post na G-Force was having auditions. I saw it December 2017 and then January 2018 yung auditions nila. So, tapos, grabe guys, as in yung auditions nun, I was there siguro mga 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning. Andun na ako, and then, I was auditioning with my friends, so tatlo kami. Tapos, inabot kami ng the auditions, umabot siya ng around 1 a.m. kinabukasan. And, grabe, I super didn't expect it. I got in, but meron pa kasing probationary period sila, So, that's a whole different story, but yes, nag-G-Force po ako before, and if alam niyo yung commercial ng Jollibee Burger Steak, yung dinam ng ulam, I'm gonna show you the video right now.
Thank you!
Uy, pinindot niyo yung skip ad. Kala mo ad, no?
Hello?
Sa Jollibee tayo. Isama mo lahat.
Yes!
Now na.
Of course!
Thanks.
Bye! Thank you! Okay, everyone! We're gonna finish the number in the store with everyone! Linam-nam ulam, linam-nam ulam. Jollibee Burger Steak, beefy sassy, linam-nam ulam. At kung hinam ng ulam ang pag-uusapan, ito pa rin ang pipiliin ko, ang aking linam-nam ulam. Nam-nam ulam, linam-nam ulam. Jollibee Burger Steak, beefy sassy, linam-nam ulam. Di pa ba entag?
It's the experience that matters. So, after G-Force, medyo na-let go ko na yung dancing career-ish ko to focus on other things. So, sometimes, guys, I shave my face. So, merong, what do you call this? Parang facial blade siya. So, you can find it siguro sa grocery or sa Watson. When I do shave my face, usually, pa downwards siya. Super nakatanggal siya ng dead skin cells and ng yung mga small hair sa face. So, mas naka-brighten up siya ng face. Okay, saan po kayo nag-aaral and what year? So, right now, I'm not studying na. I'm currently working. I just started working mid-pandemic. I think April this year. But I graduated from the LSU with the course of BS Marketing Management. Next question, saan po province nyo? Both of my parents are from Batangas. My mom is from Lemery and my dad is from Lipa. So, Batangas. Greatest fear? Wow. So not being able to live up to my calling, not being able to reach my dreams for myself and for my family, especially career-wise, and not being able to give back to my family, especially my parents, and not being able to help the people who need help. Kahit anong ways pa yan. I think that's my greatest fear. My face is a bit dry na. So for the cream, this was recommended to me by Ate Shelo. Wow! Hi Ate Shelo! So, it's the Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream by COSRX. Everything COSRX, it's a holy grail for me, as in, grabe. The night I started using this, grabe, sobrang, I felt my skin na, parang nag-thank you yung skin ko sa akin. Kasi sobrang na-hydrate siya and nabawasan talaga yung small bumps ko sa face. Next question, what's your favorite Bible verse or verses? Wow, okay. One of my favorite Bible verses would be Ecclesiastes 3 verses 1 and verse 11. So that would be, for everything there is a season and a time for every matter under heaven. And He has made everything beautiful in its time. So I just get reminded that the current season that I'm in right now in my life is where I'm supposed to be and where God has, planted me to be. Like the people I'm around with, the work that I have right now, even this YouTube and me talking to you guys, it's where I'm supposed to be right now. I just get reminded that God's got me, especially my future, so I really don't have to worry about anything. Nadadala ko sa mga questions niyo. Okay, so what is your favorite comfort food? Chicken from Buffalo Wings, chicken, and oh my gosh, yung rock salt and cheese ng Happy Lemon. Grabe, that's my super favorite na milk tea as in ever. You know what, guys? If you're gonna invest for a skincare product, I really recommend this because this cleared up my face in like a week. But that's for me. But we all have different skin types and all. So what worked for me might not work for you and vice versa. Grabe, feel ko this vlog, like wala akong ginawa kundi daldalan lang kayo. I use the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid because if kita nyo, ang dami kong blackheads. Hindi ko alam if dito siya sa camera. So I use this para ma-lessen siya. Why did I start YouTube? I started YouTube because I really love and enjoy creating videos, especially editing. And I wanted to eventually have a platform to share what Jesus has done in my life. So if that sounded too spiritual for you guys, I'm so sorry, but that's the main reason why I started YouTube. Oh, I almost forgot. Okay, so for my lips, because lately ang dalas maging choppy ng lips ko. So I use the petroleum jelly. Usually hindi ito yung ginagamit ko, but this is all that I have right now. So I put petroleum jelly on my lips, lalo na before sleeping. And the next day, grabe guys, just if there's one takeaway from this video, dapat this is it. Try using petroleum jelly on your lips the night before you sleep. And the next day, it's gonna be so plump and hindi siya magbabalat-balat. What happened to me when I started using petroleum jelly for my lips, mas nagkaroon siya ng natural, rosy na color. Hindi siya yung pale na mukha kong patay lagi. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's my skincare routine, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed and I hope that you learned something about me as well. Kahit na ang konti pala ng questions, akala ko kulang siya. But since ang daldal ko pala, I'm so sorry. But but na lang sakto siya. I hope na you learned something about me and I was able to share some facts about the girl that you're watching right now. So I hope na I was able to recommend some products as well na you might be looking for to update your skincare routine. And guys, by the way, I have an ongoing giveaway until November 30th So if you've watched my Shopee haul vlog, the mechanics are there. So just watch the whole video and like the video and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So that's it, guys. If you have any more questions about me or facts that you'd like to know about me or my skincare routine, please just comment them down the comment section and I'll try to answer them in my next vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed and I will see you guys next week on my next video. Bye bye!
Jingle bell